Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit right here on cTrader. And if you want to take profit, the first thing that we are going to do is click on the three lines left in the top and search right here for the symbol that you want to trade. So now click here on all symbols and search right here, for example, for Ethereum. And then we select right here Ethereum to US dollars. Then right now what we're going to do is click right here on new order, select right here buy or sell, what you want to do. But for now, I show you a buy position. Then right here, select how much lot you want to step in with. So we do 0.1. And then right here, what we are going to do is click right here on take profit. And then we can tell them the price range where we want to take profit. So let's say when Ethereum hits 3K, we want to take profit. And you can also do this on the opposite. So right here, you can tell them how much profit you want to take. So let's say if you want 200 US dollars profit, he will do the math automatically for you. So decide what you want to do, fill in right here your USD profit, or fill in right here the price range that you want to step out when you will hit that price. Then right now we click on place order, and now we created ourselves a position on Ethereum with a nice take profit. So this is exactly how you can take profit right here on cTrader. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.